Say Java syntax. We need to follow syntax rules in order to write and execute computer programs. Not only Java. You take any programming language or scripting language. Syntax rules mandatory. Syntax rules may vary from one language to another. We need to follow syntax rules in order to write and execute computer programs. Syntax means system grammar. In this scenario, syntax means system grammar. Next, the syntax of Java is mostly derived from C and C++. Okay. Important Java syntax rules are: first one, Java is not a case. Java is a case sensitive language. See, Java is a case sensitive. Java is a case sensitive language. Difference is there in between uppercase and lowercase values. Uppercase and lowercase values are not same. Java is case sensitive. For example, VB script from Microsoft. VB script is not case sensitive. In VB script, there is no difference between uppercase and lowercase values. But Java is case sensitive. Difference is there in between uppercase and lowercase values. See, all Java keywords are reserved words or in small letters. Okay. Next, C language. C language also case sensitive. C++ case sensitive. Perl script case sensitive. But VB script not case sensitive. See, next. See, Java is a case sensitive language in case of Java keywords, Java keywords and other words. For example, Java is a case sensitive language in case of variable names, data types, next conditional statements, loop statements, methods, etc. Java is case sensitive. Next, first letter of a class name. First letter of class name should be in uppercase. See, first letter of Java class name should be in uppercase. For example, sample, S capital letter, sample. Otherwise, suppose sample program, single word only, name. Okay. Suppose sample. It is incorrect. Okay. First letter of class name should be in uppercase. Next, method names, user defined methods. Method names should start with lowercase. Method names should start with lowercase. Next, Java program file name should exactly match with class name. See, Java program file name should exactly should exactly match with class name. Class name. Extension of Java program, java.java. This is the extension for Java program. Next, every statement or step or instruction. Synonyms. Every statement should end with semicolon. See, every statement or step should end with semicolon symbol. Semicolon. Semicolon symbol. Next, Java, important one. Java program execution starts from main method, which is mandatory in every Java program. Java program. Java program execution starts from main method, is predefined method. Main method, which is mandatory, which is mandatory. Say which is mandatory, which is mandatory in every Java program. Every Java program. Next, code blocks. For example, condition blocks, loop blocks, method blocks, etc. Code blocks should enclosed with curly braces. Code blocks. Code blocks. Example, condition blocks, condition blocks, loop blocks. Next, method blocks, etc. Enclosed with, enclosed, just a minute. Enclosed with curly braces. Next, Java supports explicit declaration of data types. Java supports explicit declaration of data types. Explicit declaration. What is explicit declaration? We need to specify the data type before declaring the variable. We need to specify the data type. Suppose in VB script, implicit declaration of data type, no data type specification in VB script. Then how VB script considers data type? Based on usage of the data. For example, if we use x equal to 100, then VB script internally considers the data as integer type data. Suppose x equal to ABCD, then VB script internally considers the data as string type data. But Java is programming language, formalities are there. We must specify the data type before declaring variables. Okay. Next, Java supports explicit declaration of variables. Explicit declaration of variables. Say explicit declaration of variables means we must declare the variables before using them. Before using any variable, first you need to declare it. In VB script supports implicit and explicit declaration of variables. In VB script, without declaration of variables also, you can use variables directly. You can use variables directly without declaration in VB script, but in Java, after declaring the variables only, you can use. Next, variable and constant names must be unique in the scope of declaration. No duplicate variables, no duplicate constants. Say, variable and constant names must be unique in the scope of declaration. The scope of declaration. No duplicate variables, no duplicate constants. See, these are the important Java syntax rules. See, Java is a case sensitive language. First letter of class name should be in uppercase. Method name should start with lowercase. Next, Java program file name should exactly match with class name. Next, Java program execution starts from main method, which is mandatory in every Java program. Next, every statement or step should end with semicolon. Code blocks enclosed with curly braces. Java supports explicit declaration of data types, explicit declaration of variables. Next, variable and constant names must be unique in the scope of declaration. See, I will show one simple Java program, sample. Wait, Eclipse IDE launching. See, close all. This is project. Just a minute, I will show from scratch. Delete. Now no data, anything. First create Java project file, Java project. This is one-time activity. Suppose A, B, C, D, E. Finish. Next create Java package, new package, XYZA. Next create Java class. Suppose sample, first letter capital letter. Say hierarchy, Java program hierarchy, Java programming hierarchy. First Java project, then package, then class or interface. In Java classes and interfaces, we write Java code. Say here, by check this option, you can generate main method. Otherwise, you can type main method, no issue. See, main method generated. Otherwise, you can type this method. If you know the syntax, you can type. Otherwise, generate. Say, observe. Small program. It is a sample Java program. See comment. Next, int a semicolon. Every statement should end with semicolon. This is variable declaration. I didn't initialize the variable. Later I can initialize. Suppose a equal to 10. This is initialization. Just a minute. Next, int b equal to 20. See, variable declaration with initialization. Next, final int x equal to 100. This is constant declaration. Constants never change. Variable values may vary throughout the program, but constants values fixed. Constants never change. See, constant declaration. Suppose one mathematical operation. Int res equal to a plus b semicolon. Display this one. System display statement. System dot out dot println of, suppose one message, string type message, addition of a comma b is just concatenate after double quotes. Concatenate operator is plus a plus b semicolon. So it will show addition of a comma b is 10 plus 20, 30. Run the program. See, addition of a comma b is 30. Variable. Okay. Just a minute. Next one, condition block. Every code block should enclosed with curly braces. See, if a greater than b, open curly braces, SYSO control space, short form for display statement. Any meaningful message. A is a big number. A is a big number. Else SYSO control space, B is a big number. So observe, this is code block. See, enclosed with curly braces. Normal statements should close with a semicolon and ends with a semicolon. Okay. Run the program. What is the A value? A 10, B 20. A greater than B? No, condition false. Then it will execute else part. What is the output? B is a big number. See, B is a big number. Next, I will write one loop block. Suppose I want to print 1 to 10 numbers. For int is data type. I equal to start value 1 semicolon I less than or equal to 10 semicolon I plus plus increment open curly braces close. Next, display system dot out dot println of I. It will semicolon. It will display 1 to 10 numbers. See, purpose of this for loop displaying 1 to 10 numbers. Run the program, observe 1 to 10. Okay, this is a sample Java program. In this program I used comments to make the code readable. Next, I declared variables and constants. Next, I used normal statements. Next, condition block. Next, loop block, etc. Thank you.